Remove shoe polish buildup. Leather shoes need to be polished regularly to remove the dirt buildup and to have a nice shine. You may notice that when you polish your shoes, the shoe polish tends to build up on the surface of your leather shoes. When this happens, your shoes will break down faster since the leather will not be able to air out. The leather can quickly deteriorate with the buildup of the shoe polish. You should know how to fix this problem to make your leather shoes last a long time. Follow the steps below to learn how to remove shoe polish buildup from your shoes. Materials that you need. The materials that you need for this process are a shoe cleaner, microfiber cloths, leather buffer for your shoes and saddle soap. Make sure that you purchase the correct color of the shoe cleaner for the color of leather shoes that you have. Wipe down the shoes. Use a clean cotton rag to wipe the surface of your shoes. This will get rid of the dust and dirt that has accumulated on the surface. If your leather shoes have shoelaces, remove the shoelaces first before you start using the shoe cleaner. Use the shoe cleaner. Now you can use the shoe cleaner when the shoes are free of dust. Use a light cotton cloth and dip it on the shoe cleaner solution. Use your fingers underneath the cloth and rub the shoe cleaner on the shoes using a circular motion. Make sure that you cover the entire surface with the shoe cleaner solution. Do this with the other shoe too. Allow the shoe cleaner solution to set on the leather for a few minutes. Buff the shoes. After a few minutes, you can start buffing your shoes. Use a shoe buffer and work your way around the surface of the shoes. When buffing, move the shoe buffer back and forth motion to get rid of the buildup of the shoe polish on your shoes. Use shoe conditioner. After you have buffed the shoes, you can apply shoe conditioner on the surface. The shoe conditioner will make sure that your leather shoes will be preserved for a longer time. Leave the shoe conditioner on the shoes overnight so that it can work through the leather surface. Polish your shoes. The next day, you can polish your shoes like you normally would. Use saddle soap for this since saddle soap is especially made to polish leather shoes. You can purchase saddle soap online. Follow these steps to keep your leather shoes looking clean and polished. Make sure that you remove the buildup of the shoe polish every once in a while to avoid breaking the leather quicker. Remember that you do not have to use shoe polish on your leather shoes every time you use them. When you are not using your shoes, keep them in a box or in a shoe bag so that the leather will be protected.